today I'm going to show you how to use these two essential oils to make a floor cleaner. I'm going to use eucalyptus and thyme. Now I'm going to use these two because of their antiviral, antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, and by combining them together they're going to make a very strong floor disinfectant. So I'm going to use, take a mug of water, a 3/4 mug of water or one, and use about 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 10 drops of eucalyptus, and thyme I'm going to use 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to pour this into half a bucket of water, and we are going to use that to clean the floors, so that when you come in or anyone comes in, or even if you're at home, this house is going to smell wonderful, and at the same time everything is going to be sterile and antiviral.